Hello children, today we are going to learn lesson number 7 birds. Today I am giving you explanation. In this lesson we are going to study about the birds, feet and claws, nesting habit, different kinds of a beak, flight or birds, caring of the youngs. Okay, now we have to see. Birds are our feather friends that fly. They will fly, okay? They can fly because their body weight it is light due to the whole bones. Whole means what? The bones will be empty inside, like a pipe it will be there. Inside it will be empty, okay? In bones inside it will be empty. They have a streamlined body and strong flight muscles which enable them to fly. Streamlined body means what? The body weight will be not too much, it is streamlined, okay? Birds also need food like other living beings. Birds also, they require the food like other living beings. Birds do not have teeth. Birds, they will not have a teeth. They use their beaks and claws to catch hold of their food and eat it. Okay, claws means what? In this, the claws is a new word. Claws means what, children? For their toes, long nails will be there. That is known as a claws. Okay, why they will call? They require the claws to catch, hold their food. Okay, and to eat. The shape and the size of beak and claws vary. Different kinds of beaks. The shape of the bird's beak depends upon the bird's eating habit. Okay. Now many birds will be having, they will be having different beaks. Okay. Their size will be different. Short, hard and horny beak. Okay. Horny means it is a too hard. Okay. Hard it is. Birds such as the sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finches have short, hard and horny beak to crush grains and the crack seed. The peacock, finches, pigeons, they will be having horny beak to crush the grains and crack the seeds, to crush the grain and crack the seed for them. Here the birds are there: sparrow, pigeon, peacock, finch. Okay. Now we have to move for the next one. Strong, sharp and hooked beak. It will hooked means it is like a hook. Okay. Birds of a prey like eagle, vulture, owl, hawk and kite have a strong, sharp and hooked beak to tear the flesh. Okay, they are having the short, they have strong, sharp and hooked beak. Okay, birds of a prey like eagle, vulture, owl, hawk and kite have strong, sharp, hooked beak to tear the flesh. These type of birds, they will eat the flesh of the other animal. That's why they want to tear and eat. That's why their beak is like this way, hook like it is. This is a help to tear the flesh. This is the eagle, vulture, owl and kite. Curved beak. Parakeets and parrots have curved beak to crack nuts and eat hard fruits. They will be having curved beak for the crack the nuts and eat the fruits. Okay. Now next one. Strong and chisel shaped beak. It will be strong and chisel shaped. Chisel means it is like a pointed. Okay. That's shaped. A woodpecker has a strong and chisel shaped beak, which woodpecker will be having strong and chisel shaped beak. It is a straight and pointed. It is a straight and it is a pointed. It helps it to make hole in the trunk of the tree and take out insect from the hole. What it will help? It will help to make the hole in the tree, and in that hole some insect they will live in a trees. Okay, tree trunks they will live, and this woodpecker what it will do? It will make the hole in that, and it will remove the insect and it will eat. Broad and flat beak. Ducks have a broad and flat beak which has holes on the sides, which will be having holes on the side. The duck takes muddy water from the pond which has insect in it. Duck will take the muddy water from this mouth, and what will we do? The mud and water drains out through the holes, leaving the insect. The duck what will do? It will take it will see in the insect will be in a muddy water, then duck will take that. While taking duck that insect, little mud and water also it will come in a beak, and what it will do? The in water and mud it will leave from this hole, and whatever that insect will be there, that duck will eat. The use of the hole, it will leave the mud and water from this hole outside. Now next one, broad, long and pointed beak. Birds such as a kingfisher and stork have broad, long and pointed beak to catch fish from water. The birds like a kingfisher and stork, they will be having broad and long and pointed. Broad also it is there, long also it is there, and pointed also it is there. This is a help to catch the catch fish from the water. These birds will fly near to the water, sea water, river water. They will fly there only because they can see from the sky only. They can see the fish. Then they can immediately they will come down. They will catch that fish. Long, thin and pointed beak. The sunbirds has a long, thin and pointed beak to suck a nectar from the flowers. Now sunbird, S-U-N, sunbirds, what it will be having? It will see very long and thin. Thin means very small it will be there, and long it will be there. Okay, it will use to suck the nectar from the flowers. In flowers, nectar will be there, sweet liquid will be there, one type of liquid will be there. That what will be happening? The birds will suck that nectar. Nectar word we learned in the first topic also. Butterflies suck the nectar. Okay, suck means what? They will take inside. Okay, the whatever liquid will be there in a bird's nectar, it will take inside. Okay. Feet and claws. Different birds have a different kinds of a feet. They will be having different kinds of a feet and claws depending upon their uses. They will be having depending upon their uses. They will be having different type of claws and feet. Most birds have 4 toes. Many birds will be having 4 toes. Okay, like this way 4 toes will be there. 3 that face towards and 1 backward. Now most probably 3 will be many birds will be having only 4 toes, and what will be that? 3 will be front and 1 will be back, like this way. Okay, like this way 1 will be back. And what will be use of this? It will be catch the trunk of the trees. One it will put inside, and this all will come like this way. They will catch the trunk of the trees. Birds use their claws to catch and eat their food. They will use it is to catch their food, protect themselves from their enemies and move about. They have to, why they will use their toes and claws? To protect from the enemies and to eat the food. Okay, I hope you understood. Today's homework is you have to read this much.